Hello Aries, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you from uh, July 10th to July 20th. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. You can also follow me on Instagram for additional readings. So let's see what's there for Aries from July 10th to July 20th. Okay, so we have the Six of Cups, the Eight of Wands, the Chariot, the Nine of Wands, the King of Swords, the Hierophant. Okay, I'll take this. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Aries. Let's see what's the guidance from the angels for Aries. Let's see what are the messages. What's the message from the universe for Aries? Okay, so Aries, what I feel here is that either there is seems to be a communication with somebody from the past. There is a reconciliation over here, and either you are meeting that person or you are talking to them through phone or emails or whatever. But yes, there is a reconciliation coming in. Somebody from the past is coming in your life, and maybe you wanted this person at some point in time, or maybe you are not even aware that this person is will now be coming in. Maybe you've lost the hope of their coming in. But whatever the case may be, yes, there is a reconciliation, there is a lot of communication, and things pick up very very fast. Okay, so whatever the situation is, it can be a friendship, it can be a relationship, whatever it is, it can be any situation from the past which maybe it had died down at some point in time, but there is a lot of communication and a very fast start in the new direction. Okay, so there is a rapid movement in whatever direction you want to take this opportunity or a relationship into. Okay, or it has been like that, it has already started, whatever this is. Okay, so there has been some sort of a reconciliation. Things start off pretty fast. Perhaps you've been waiting for this reconciliation since a long, long time. It can be that maybe you wanted whatever this thing is for you, you wanted it to come to you since many years, something like that. And since you've been waiting for it since many years, you had become a little cold and detached also in your behavior, because you were upset that things were not happening the way you wanted them to be, perhaps. See, this person from the past may not definitely be your romantic partner only, it can be anybody. Okay, but the thing here is that somebody here is been waiting for it, or maybe the thing started moving very fast and then suddenly something happened that the communication dropped. It can be that also, because I see here somebody waiting for something since a long, long time, because their rewards were not, they felt that they were not rewarded duly, and because of this bitterness that things were not rewarded as they wanted them to be, you have turned a cold person, sort of detached and sort of arrogant, closed off type of a person, and very guarded. And here what I see is, see, one thing is, if this is a person whom you wanted from the past, and this is the reconciliation, and this has happened after a long period of time, and you wanted it, and it was during this waiting time that you had turned cold. So this person, maybe you are now committing to this person, or this person is committing to you. Okay, so it can be that also, that this is a reconciliation which you were waiting for since a long, long time, and you had become cold on it. Maybe you were not even now expecting it, but now since it is now picking up rapid pace, so maybe directly you are getting married, or getting it's talking about commitment and relationships, basically. It's something like that. Okay, and if it was, it can be is for those who are not in a relationship, it can be something that you've been working hard on a project or on something in your career, and you are waiting for your rewards, as you felt that you were not duly rewarded, and it can be a long pending promotion, perhaps. It can be anything. Maybe you were working on something and something for many, many years, or at least many months, and then you felt unrewarded, sort of, and you had that thing in your heart, okay, I have not been rewarded for it, and now comes in the promotion, or that reconciliation. It's something that something is coming back from the past, basically. It can be a person, it can be your rewards which have not been paid since a long, long time, and you felt that you should be duly rewarded. So maybe that is coming in, and it is now stable, and obviously it is stable, and it is long term. It can be that also. Okay, so it will be different for different people. Over here what I see is that you are working hard on something, or you are working hard on something, and again you are, see, you want to move towards some, you are working hard over something, very, very focused on it, and you want to move towards something or someone in a very, very passionate way, and you are victorious over here, and you are very happy over here. And here with the Magician, you are starting something new. See, it can be that once you are committed, once you achieve this reconciliation, and you start building together, or you are now again back to work, sort of thing, or you are focusing on something different apart from whatever it was. Now it's, you are working hard on your other aspects, perhaps, or your financial gains, your materialistic gains, whatever it is, or your work. This is basically about something in your physical world. So maybe you are working hard now on your other aspects apart from this emotional aspect perhaps, which has been, or whatever you have achieved, this is something which you have now gained. Okay, this is, that's what it is. This reconciliation has come in, whatever it was, you have reaped the results of it, and now you are back to work. It's like that, you're back to work, very focused on whatever you want to do, and you are moving very, very passionately towards a new goal, or towards a new person. If this is, see, it's not that a person, if you've been married here or committed here, then again you're moving towards a new person. No, if this is the emotional aspect, this can be the career one, and if it was a career one, it can be the emotional one, and it can be both career also for some of you. But whatever it is, you are moving very, very passionately towards a new beginning, and being victorious in that also. That's what I'm trying to say. And over here with the five of spades, you are dealing with somebody who is your equal counterpart. Whosoever this person is, this is your equal counterpart. Whosoever, if it is a reconciliation, if you are patching up with somebody, if you are coming together with somebody, maybe it was something you wanted at some point in time, even if in a career, if it was a partnership, but it didn't happen at that time, but now it's happening. So this is a person who is at the same page. That's what I'm trying to tell you. This person is on the same page as you are. Okay, so this person, it can be a difficult opponent also, though. It can be a difficult opponent for some of you, or this person may have been an opponent for you at some point in time. Okay, or maybe this is something that maybe it can be like, if somebody else got those rewards, this card can come up because of that also. Somebody got those rewards which you felt you deserved and you didn't get at that time, and maybe this is the card which is displaying the energy of that person also, that it was this scenario that you didn't get your rewards at that point in time, and now they are coming in. Messenger of emotion, this is a beginning of a new emotional experience that could grow into something deeper. You may receive a message expressing feelings that you didn't even know were developing. A social invitation could soon be on your way. There is a person involved who is very gentle and loving with only the kindest intentions. It could be you, especially if you're artistic, shy and sensitive. So basically this also talks about reconciliation. Okay, it's a messenger of emotion. It is a beginning of a new emotional experience. Things, maybe you are not even aware that this person had such feelings for you. It can be somebody whom you've been working with, or at some point in time you didn't know their feelings, and now here they come, that they have some feelings for you. So it will be different for different people, obviously, but yes, there is a reconciliation, somebody from the past coming in, definitely. Turn number 36 or number 9 may be of some significance for you. Turn your heart light. Reflect on a time when you experienced love. So this is the part of the time that you have turned cold, you have turned detached, because you felt that your things have not been rewarded. You've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and you felt that you're not being rewarded. So now is the time to turn your heart light. Your things will be rewarded, and you will feel happy about it. So that's all I have for you, Aries, and hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.